In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sticky header in Weebly. A sticky header is an incredibly useful feature for any website, allowing your navigation menu to remain visible at the top of the page as users scroll down. This ensures easy access to navigation links at all times, which can improve the user experience significantly. Let's dive into the process of setting this up on your Weebly site. Start by logging into your account and navigating to your Weebly site's editor. Once you're in the editor, you'll see a top bar with several options. Look for the button labeled Theme. This is your gateway to customizing various aspects of your site's appearance and layout, so go ahead and click on Theme. Now that you're in the Theme section, focus your attention on the left side of the screen where you'll find the sidebar. This sidebar is home to a number of different settings and tweaks you can apply to your site. Among these options, you'll see one that says Theme Options. Click on Theme Options. This particular section houses special features you can toggle on or off, and it's where we'll make the magic happen for your sticky header. Once you're in the Theme Options area, you should see the option for sticky navigation. This feature is often presented as a simple toggle switch or checkbox. By enabling this option, you activate the sticky header functionality for your Weebly site. With this setting turned on, your header, along with the navigation menu, will stay fixed at the top of the user's browser window, ensuring it's always within reach, no matter how far they scroll down the page. And there you have it. With just a few simple clicks, you've successfully enabled a sticky header on your Weebly site, enhancing the overall navigability and functionality for your visitors. Remember, thoughtful website design can greatly influence the way users interact with your content. So incorporating features like a sticky header helps in maintaining a seamless and user-friendly website. As you continue to develop and refine your website, keep in mind the importance of balancing style with functionality. There may be more features within the theme options that you find useful depending on the needs of your site. Experiment with various settings, and don't hesitate to tweak things to better align with your vision. The process is simple enough to try different versions and see what works best. Thanks for joining me today to improve your Weebly site's user experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to leave a comment or subscribe for more tips and tricks. Until next time, happy building!